Okay, here are just a couple more examples of how to graph when we're talking about quadratics. You need to find one y-intercept and two x-intercepts. So there's three critical points we need to find. The y-intercept's easy. Whatever the constant is, that's your y-intercept. So y-intercept is going to be at the point 0, 8. The x-intercept, to find those, you just factor. So if I factor this, I get x plus 4, x plus 2. 4 times 2 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6. That gives us x equals -4 and a -2. So then we look at a graph, and I'll just draw one here. And we go to a positive 8, and I'm just going to estimate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's my y-intercept that came from the constant right here. And then -2 and -4. Now this is a positive x squared. It's going up. You just do your best you can. A quadratic is a U, it's a parabola, and you make it go up. So it's crossing through the y at 8, the x at -2, and -4. Here's another one. Same thing. This is your y-intercept. So -5 is where it's going to cross the y. It's -5, don't change the sign or anything like that. So we're on the y at -5. To find the x-intercepts, we need to factor. What multiplies to be 5, that subtracts to be a 4. We're going to use 5 and 1. You know how to factor, okay? I'm not going to go back through that. It's a -4, so it's a -5, positive 1. These multiply to be -5, they add to be -4. That means x is a 5 and a -1. So we go to -1 and we put a point. We go to 5 and put a point. And then kind of look. So we have a U that's going like this. We do the best we can. We line it up. We get it to look symmetrical. There's our parabola. One last one. And what I would do right now is I would pause this, see if you can do it on your own, and then press play to get the answer. So like I said, maybe pause this, try it, okay, and then we can compare our answers. The y-intercept is 12. That's 12, I hope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You factor, you get x plus 3, x plus 4. That means x is a -3 and a -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it looks weird. This is actually a really skinny parabola, so kind of maybe draw it that way, and then it just loops and goes like that. Do the best you can.